Guys, today we talk about how can you find your download data on your ClickUp. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, you just go up of this sign, click on it here. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to this list on your profile. Then all you have to do now, just go down here and you click here on settings. When you click on settings here, it's going to take you to this list. Then you click here on download my data here. When you click on it, come to this list here. Then here click on request data. So then here click here on open email app. So or here can you copy this link here. This link here you see here. So then here can you check your inbox for the download link here on your ClickUp when you click here on open email app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.